Welcome to our channel Soul Sisters Virtually. If you are new to this channel, please watch our videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive all updates. Do like our videos and share your valuable feedback and comments in the comments section below. Share our videos by clicking on the share button. Thank you.
A Manishi or an ordinary man gets transformed into a Maharishi or a sage by engaging in selfless service. Truly speaking, the merit that could be obtained from service cannot be acquired even from the practice of rigorous austerities. Such priceless lessons are inculcated in the Shishyas at the Gurukula in the most delightfully practical way. Compassion is deeply rooted in human nature. This is evident when the students indulge in the Grama Seva. But one might wonder, what is Grama Seva? Grama Seva or village service is conducted during Dashera, which is a 10-day festival to celebrate the victory of Lord Rama over the demon king Ravana. This seva is a ritual of self-discovery in which the students of the Gurukula serve the villages in the Anantapur district by distributing small tokens of love. They include saris, dhotis, packets of pulihora or tamarind rice, and laddus, which are spear-shaped sweets, in the houses of the villagers. The students readily participate in the Grama Seva, knowing that their contribution can help in alleviating the pain and suffering. For even a single little gesture of love and care is like a ray of hope for those who stay in the villages, cut off from the rest of the world. This seva is not carried out with the aim of combating poverty, but a greater, deeper problem, the poverty of love, care, and compassion in the human heart.
We always think only about ourselves. We feel that our life is okay for us and that's the end of it. We really don't know that we owe an obligation as citizens and as human beings as well. So through this Gram Seva, we really get to know that what are our responsibilities as citizens and as human beings.
The girl students of the modern Gurukula do their bit by foregoing their sleep and working tirelessly by packing the freshly made pulihora for 9 continuous nights so that the food doesn't get stale when it is distributed in the morning. Wondering what the process is like? First, a dedicated group of Sevadals or volunteers boil almost 40 quintals of rice and add turmeric to it. After cooking, the rice is cooled and curry leaves are added to it. This is important because it can go bad if packed when it is hot. The seasoning is added to the rice and is mixed mainly by some volunteers, teachers, and students using their hands. They wear gloves in order to maintain hygiene. After mixing the seasoning with the rice, it is heaped and each heap weighs 50 kgs. The students are divided and sent to 3 different sheds in order to increase the speed and the efficiency of the entire process. In each shed, the students are clearly told their responsibilities. These responsibilities include mixing the rice, transporting rice to the groups, serving, packing, weighing, collecting, and also arranging the packets in the crates. All these are done meticulously. Some sisters collect the rice from the heap in vessels and hand it over to the sisters who pack. Usually, the students sit in groups of 6 or 7. One of them sits in the center and uses a ladle that can hold 350 grams of rice and serves the rice on the patravali leaf and newspaper, which is used for packing. On the first day, initially, the seniors teach the juniors how the packets must be folded in a way that it remains intact. And eventually, it is miraculous how quickly they pick up the skill and swiftly pack several packets in just one night. The most amazing aspect of this activity, however, is that while doing all this, bhajans and devotional songs are sung, which infuses the food and the atmosphere with positive vibes. These packets are collected from every group, and some packets are randomly weighed to make sure that it contains the prescribed quantity. This work is done with great precision. Every crate is filled with a certain number of packets, and the topmost packet is marked with the total number of packets in the crate. Not only that, the sheds are cleaned once the packing is over so that it is ready for the next day. This work of mixing, packing, and arranging goes on for almost 6 to 7 hours. It starts at about 9 pm and ends at 3 or sometimes 4 am. The total sums up to an approximate of 285,250 packets over a period of 9 days. Every morning, crates full of packets along with other tokens of love are taken to villages in almost 40 conveyors per day by the men students of the Gurukula. No matter how far in the village their houses might be, they are reached out to and served with love and care. On the last day, the girl students also get an opportunity to distribute these tokens in some houses nearby. The teachers impress upon the fact that seva should be done without any ego. The students are also taught by the teachers to speak politely with the people, ask them for permission to step in, and hand over the clothes and food with a smile on the face. The students must give as many food packets to the people of the house, no questions asked. Looking at the joy on the faces of the people gives immense satisfaction and makes the students realize their true purpose of life, to love all and to serve all. These little gestures or acts of service can bring tears of joy in the eyes of the people, and that is definitely worth all the time and effort. Even after years of having graduated, this experience of Grama Seva is one of the most unforgettable ones. It is so touching that even the thought of it can inspire the students to continue doing something for the needy. We are sure that watching this has stirred a similar feeling in you. Are you planning to do your bit this Dussehra? Let us know in the comments section below.